Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Wegienka Elementary School, home of the Wildcats in Brownstown, Charter Township, Michigan. This is part of the Woodhaven School District, and I'm outside of the gym cafeteria area where I got to share my heart today. Two separate assemblies, all the grades K through 5, and it was a very emotional day. A lot of students' hearts were touched, and staff. They had a lot of connections to some of the stories that I shared. Very heartfelt, powerful ones, some of the inspirational videos, the positive music, and really, it truly tied into the Wildcat way. You see this all around the building, and it was beautiful for me because we're talking about here being respectful, being responsible, being kind, being safe. And I would say we really focus probably on the being kind and the being respectful aspects of that, right? Because today's focus was on bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first. And our hearts are as big as our fist. If we can let love, peace, kindness, compassion fully enter into here, we can turn that into this peace sign. One finger is ourself, the other is for someone we're trying to lift up higher than ourselves. But it's also two, because in just 2 seconds, one breath, one heartbeat, one action, one word, we can do or say something positive that stays on someone's heart forever in a great way, or conversely, say something so negative and mean that it stays on their heart in a very bad way forever. So we always have that choice. And for these students to really get that at a young age, that's huge, right? To understand that they can make a difference, you know, even being a very young student here, that they can touch someone's heart in just a matter of a few seconds. That's amazing, right? And when you think about this too, the power of our words, you know, the power of our actions, we can either uplift or we can tear down. And no matter what we're going through or have gone through or will go through, the biggest reason I see why people bully is that hurt people. But we can turn that hurt into healing, right? Where healed people heal people. And that's another conscious choice that we have to make if we can let that love flow into our heart. I had one student come up to me and said, you know, Mr. Peace, what if I can't forgive someone, you know, for what they did? And I said, it takes time. You know, it's not easy, definitely. It's the right thing to do, because you don't want to, you know, become burdened by all that hate that's weighing on your heart or your shoulders. Like Dr. King said, we have to stick with love, right? And so if we can focus on that, you know, rise above that hate and know that we rise by lifting others, that's how we start to make this world a better place. And, you know, we know that bullying is something that's repeated over and over and over again on purpose to get power over someone, but the things that aren't bullying, just those one-time actions, they can still leave that same effect on someone's heart, positive or negative, right? So we always have that choice to see someone for their heart first, but also for this too. All of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I traced one of mine here. I have at least one in each hand. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but you know, this M I always say stands for miracle, like the front of my shirt there too, and upside down W for Wegienka, Wildcats, also for worthy, right? That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. But knowing that a lot of students I speak to don't always believe this or buy into this, it's up to us to, you know, be that light to their heart if we choose to. And so again, you know, just touched my heart. A lot of students that gave me their bracelets after the assembly. I always wear these as my strength and armor. Students that said that I touched their heart. I said, if I did, that means you have a big heart. And now it's up to you to go share that gift by how you choose to treat yourself and others. So thank you so much for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Have a great rest of the school year for now. And as always, make sure the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.